Car lifts are all about convenience. Whether they're for gearheads who can't stand the thought of anyone else touching their pride and joy, or those who simply need a little more floor space in their garages, these helpful devices can provide safe storage or help turn a garage into a home mechanic shop. By lifting their vehicles in the air, DIYers can work on their cars more comfortably and ergonomically, or simply stack two cars where only one would fit normally. It also gives you a better vantage point when working on your car, allows you more room in your garage, and even serves as a parking lift to take pressure off the tires during long-term storage. 1. QuickJack 5000 Teraliters Portable Car Lift. The QuickJack 5000 Teraliters is a portable car lift that can lift an entire vehicle with both frames by engaging the OEM recommended lifting points. It plugs into a 110-volt AC wall outlet power to operate and has a remote pendant control with a 13-feet cord. However, it is recommended that you always use it on a flat surface, as anything greater than a 3-degree slope is not considered safe. 2. Atlas Automotive Equipment XH9KOHX. The Atlas Automotive Equipment XH9KOHX is a two-post lift with a lifting capacity of 9,000 pounds. It comes with a spring-loaded secondary lock system, SLS, for added safety, and includes a complete set of solid peg-type truck adapters, mounting hardware, a set of sliding lift point adapters, and a 220-volt single-phase power unit. You can adjust the height of the lift to two different settings, 11 feet 6 inches or 11 feet 10 inches. 3. SUC-CD Hydraulic Vehicle Ramps. This is a great option if you're on a low budget or have space constraints. Just drive up the ramp and lift the vehicle with the 10,000-pound capacity bottle jack, perfect for inspections and oil changes. Make sure to chock the wheels to prevent the car from rolling. 4. XKUSA L1000 10,000 LBS2 Post Car Lift. Auto Car Lift L1000 features a 10,000 pounds lifting capacity and a safety mechanism with double-point safety lock release, automatic arm lock restraints, and relief valve built-in power pump to prevent overloading. There should be at least 13 feet of clearance for the lift, though 15 feet is recommended. The overall height is 111 inches, and there is no connection brace. The box that the item ships in is around 10 feet long and 4x4, and a forklift or loader is necessary. 5. A+ Lift HW10 KBP 10,000 LB. Those looking for a two-post lift that is limited only by the height of their home garage ceiling may want to consider the A+ Lift HW10 KBP car lift. This car lift has a 10,000-pound capacity, yet it features a floor-mounted plate rather than overhead like most heavy-duty models. This allows the lift to function with vehicles of any height, including low cars and tall trucks or vans. This car lift features a symmetrical and asymmetrical design thanks to its arm designs. Also, it has the same S-type frame as most of Apluslift's other models, complete with a powder-coated finish. 6. Triumph NT11 11000 LB2 Post Auto Lift Floor Plate. If nothing but the best will do for that classic roadster or weekend race car, check out the NT11 from Triumph. This two-post lift has a maximum weight capacity of more than 11,000 pounds, which means it's capable of lifting not just the muscle machine but also the truck that hauls it from the car show to the track. This car lift for home garages features standard safety equipment, such as auto lock and automatic arm restraints, making this model both heavy-duty and safe.